like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome back to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about GOT7's Youngjae. Only here on Annyeong Chiga Update! GOT7's Youngjae is confirmed for new thriller drama with Yeri and Kang Yewon. It was confirmed on July 24th by NBAT Company, the idol actors agency, that he will be starring in the upcoming drama Friendly Rivalry. The drama cast lineup are Girls Day Yeri, Chong Sobin, Kang Yewon, Oh Woo-ri, and more. Friendly Rivalry is based on webtoon of the same title. It is a mystery thriller drama that tells about an intense relationship and fierce competition of teenage girls at Chewa Girls High School, a school for the top 1%. Youngjae's role has not yet been revealed yet, but this drama will mark his first drama in 3 years after So Not Worth It and Love and Wish, which both aired in 2021. That's it mga kaanyong. Are you very excited for the comeback of actor Youngjae? Comment your thoughts below. Oh guys, pwede nyo itong mabili sa Yellow Basket para iwas hiwa. Ayan, murang-mura lang. Check out nyo na.